The burial of the late President Ferdinand Marcos at the Libingan ng mga bayani is finally happening. But some groups are contesting the legality of President Duterte's decision before the Supreme Court. University of Santo Tomas Law Dean Nilo Divina, however, says it could be an uphill battle. He says there's no law banning someone, even Marcos, from being buried at the Libingan.
There is no prohibition from the legal perspective. And because there is no prohibition, it can be allowed.
An armed forces regulation, however, disqualifies soldiers with an offense of moral turpitude. A 2003 Supreme Court ruling says Marcos is guilty of amassing ill-gotten wealth during martial law. A Swiss court decided in the same manner, while a court in Hawaii said Marcos committed human rights violations. But Divina explains these are civil cases, while moral turpitude in previous Supreme Court decisions pertains to a criminal case.
In the case of the former president, he was found liable and a state ordered to pay the victims of human rights during his regime. But that was a civil case.
But human rights lawyer Nery Colmenares thinks otherwise. For him, the burial of Marcos at the Libingan is illegal and violates the regulation of the armed forces.
Any act which violates the community sense or the sense of ordinary persons, what is just and what is honest, is a moral turpitude offense.
Colmenares explains the burial also contradicts the Human Rights Victims Reparation Act of 2013.
That Congress passed a law declaring him a human rights violator.
They all say for now, anything is still possible, but time is running out. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.